Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over two items. First, we're going to go through account users and how you can add other people in your company to assist with find actions. Second, we're going to go through positions and how your employees can punch to different positions, and I'll explain what that is in a second. Find allows you to add as many account users into the system as you could possibly need. These could be supervisors, managers, payroll admins, or anyone that is needed to help process time, manage employees, add jobs, and get payroll ready for processing. Adding an account user in Find is very simple. We're just going to go down to the Account tab, go down to Users, and then hit the plus icon. We're going to put in some basic information for Susie, who's our manager. Susie at abccleaning.com, and we're going to assign a password for Susie. Now we're going to leave the organizational hierarchy exactly how it is, and we're going to assign the user role of account admin. We'll get into that in a second. We're going to leave the rest of this the same right here and click Save. Okay, now that Susie's been added, we can proceed to assigning her a user role. Now, user roles outline the permissions that Susie will be able to have when inside the Find application. Maybe we don't want her to view payroll, but we want her to be able to edit some employee details. Let's go over to the roles section, and you can see that we have 3 user roles already created for you, each with different amounts of permissions. The account admin has every single permission, and the supervisor has the ability to see pretty much all the things, but maybe not delete employee devices or delete employees or view payroll. Now you can always change these, so if I can turn this on, I'm going to go ahead and turn that off though. And the manager has one as well. Feel free to rename any of these that you would need to, and we can then assign that. So let's assign supervisor to Susie now. So I'll come over here to Susie's profile. We'll come down to user role as supervisor, and then we're good to go. One last thing here is the organizational hierarchy. If I want Susie to just see only those in the North region and all the punch data only for the North region, I can come in here and select that and click Update. Let's now introduce Find Positions. I'll go down to Account and Positions here. We already have one added. The Find system uses the term positions for classifying the type of work that your employees will be working at any job. These positions are template-based, which makes it easy to apply consistent positions across all employees. So for our company here, ABC Cleaning, we clean residential and commercial buildings. And I have both workers who work during the day and at night, and a bit of floaters that float around a bit. So I'm going to add a position for maybe a day cleaner we'll start with. Day cleaner. And I'm going to leave everything here exactly the same except for the pay type. And I'm going to go to working, which is the one that is kind of the regular pay type here. And I'll click Add Position. And remember, this is a template. I'm going to create one more for night cleaner. And I'll do working as well. And now I have 3 templates that I can choose from, and I can assign those to different employees. So let's go back to our employee we created. We'll go to Billy here. And for Billy, I'm going to go to Positions. And I'm going to add a position that Billy can select when he is punching. And this day cleaner and night cleaner, because he does both. So when Billy goes to punch, he'll have the option of selecting either day cleaner or night cleaner. But Billy really cleans for the most part during the day. So I'm going to set his default to day. So every time he goes to punch, it'll default here, and then if he happens to be doing a night cleaner shift, he can switch it to night cleaner. So how do positions work on Billy's time card? Well, the other day Billy punched, but we didn't have positions set up yet, so there's no position. If I need to add a position, I can come in here and just select day cleaner, click OK, and then at the top here you'll see that Billy worked the day cleaner at the job The Park in the North region. Now you also notice that this turned to red. That just indicates that a manual edit has been done. So if I open this up, I see that Billy Smith punched in, and Ben Peterson, which is me, updated this by adding a position. So we just want to call out the time card edits that have been edited, and we do that by changing it to red there. If I want to add a new punch, I can click here to go to add, and then I can switch the position if I need to, maybe night cleaner for this shift, and click add punch. Okay, that's it for this video. Now would be a good time to brainstorm some positions that your employees might need to punch to, as well as add some account users to your account so they can help you out.